Good morning. I'll be discussing the worksheet that I have posted in the previous class. So look into that. Root 2 has already been discussed. Once again, I'll get through it because some of you are finding it difficult to extract these square roots. So I'll be discussing all the 4 problems. So in case you have not understood in the previous session, try to get it now in this discussion itself. Okay. So look into the first one, root 2. So root 2 is an irrational number. In fact, the aim of these problems is to convert these numbers into their respective decimal forms. Or in other words, it can also be called like extracting the square root for a given number. That is given root 2. In fact, we are trying to find the square root of 2. In other words, that is what we are trying to do. Okay. So here we need to extract the square root, or in other words, we need to convert these irrational numbers into decimal forms up to 4 decimal places. So first one is root 2. Now I am trying to evaluate root 2 in its decimal form, and we are told to evaluate up to 4 decimal places. So since we are told to evaluate up to 4 decimal places, I will put a point and I will put 4 pairs of zeros. So this is one pair, second pair, third pair, fourth pair. Now start pairing from right to left by putting a bar. However, you don't have 2 digits. If you are left over with 1 digit at last, you keep a bar on that 1 digit which you are left over with. So now go with the process. Now the nearest perfect square to 2 is 1. So 1 ones are 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. Now carry a pair of zeros after the decimal place, or after the decimal point. Now what are the number you have taken? Add upon the same. That is 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. Now what are the number you place here? Multiply with the same number. If you place suppose 2, then multiply with 2. Then that gives you 44. 44 is far from 100. So likewise check out for different numbers. If you go with 3, then you have to multiply with 3. 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6. If you go with 4, 4 4s are 16, 4 2s are 8, 96. So I go with 4 because that is the closest. Since we have carried a pair of zeros after the decimal point, you keep a point here and write 4. So this is 96. 100 minus 96 is 4, and carry a pair of zeros, 400. Now again, whatever the number you have written, add upon the same number. You have written 4 there, add upon 4. So 4 plus 4 is 8, 28. Now if I write 2 here, I will be multiplying with 2. So that is, if I take 2, I will be multiplying with 2. 2 2s are 4, 28 2s are 56. So 564. If I take 2, it is going more than 400. Therefore, I will take 1. So if I place 1 here, I should be placing 1 there itself. 281 into 1, which gives you 281. Again, you carry a pair of zeros and subtract this. 10 minus 1 is 9. 9 minus 8. 9 minus 8 is 1. And 3 minus 2 is 1. So you have written 1 here, add upon 1. So 281 plus 1 is 282. Now I will go with some 4. If I take 4 here, 4 4s are 16, 1, 4 2s are 8, plus 1 9, 4 8s are 32, 2 3, 4 2s are 8, 9, 10, 11. So this is 11296. 11296. So that is 4 times. So this is 10, this is 9, this is 8. So this is 8 minus 2, 8 minus 2 is 6, 9 minus 9 is 0, 10 minus 6 is 4, and again you carry forward a pair of zeros. Now whatever the number you have written, add upon the same, plus 4, so what do you get? 282, 4 plus 4 is 8. So whatever the number you place here, you multiply with the same number. So if I go with some 3 here, I will be multiplying with 3. So then this is 3 3s are 9, 3 8s are 24, 4 2, 3 2s are 6, 7 8, 3 8s are 24, 4 2, 3 2s are 6, 7 8. So if I take 3, it is going more than this number, so I am not going with 3. I will try to go with the 2. 2 8, 2 8, 2. So then this is 2 2s are 4, 8 2s are 16, 1 2 2s are 4, 5, 28 2 is 56. So this is that number is lesser than this, so I am taking 2. So this is 2, this is 2, then this is 5, 6, 5, 6, 4. So let's subtract it. 10, this is 9, this will be 13, this is 5, and this is 9. So 9 minus 6 is 3, 13 minus 5 is 8, 9 minus 6 3. So that is what you get. And finally square root of 2 up to 4 decimal places is 1.4142. So that is the case. That is with respect to square root 2. Now the next question is square root 3. So square root 3 again, 1, 2, 3, 4 decimal places. Since we need up to 4 decimal places, I am keeping 4 pairs of zeros and start pairing from right to left. At last you are left over with 1 digit, put a bar on that 1 digit. And the nearest perfect square to 3 is 1 itself. 1, 1, so 1. So I am writing 1. So 3 minus 1 is 2. Now carry forward this pair of zeros. Now we are carrying this pair of zeros after the decimal point. So you keep a decimal point over here and add upon 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. Now whatever the number you place here, you will be multiplying with the same number. If suppose if I place 7 here, so 27 into 7. 7 sevens are 49, 4, 7 twos are 14, 14 plus 4 is 18. Now that is the closest, 189 is the closest. So I am going with 7. 189, carry forward this pair of zeros. Then this is how much? 10, this is 9 and this is 1. This is 1, this is 11. So you have 1100. Now add upon the 7 to 27. 27 plus 7 is 34. Now whatever the number you take here, you will be multiplying with the same number. I go with something called 3. Then 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 2 1, 3 3s are 9, 10. Now rather that will be the closest for 1100. So I will be taking that. So 3. So take 3 over here and this is 1029. So subtract it 10. This will be 9 and this will be 0. So 9 minus 2 is 7. 10 minus 9 is 1 and carry a pair of zeros. And again the regular process you add upon this 346. Now whatever the number you take here, you will multiply with the same number. So suppose say you are taking some 2 here. So this is how much? 2 2s are 4, 6 2s are 12, 4 2s are 8, 9, 3 2s are 6. Now that is 6924, which is much closer to 7100. I am taking that. So 2, 2, 6, 9, 2, 4. So this is 10, this is 9, this is 0. 70 minus 69 is 1. This is 9 minus 2 is 7. 10 minus 4 is 6 and carry a pair of zeros. So again routine process, add upon this 2. So this is 3, 4, 6, 2 plus 2 is 4. Again whatever the number you place there, you will be multiplying with the same number. If suppose if I take some 3, 3, 4, 6, 4, 3. Now what else? 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 6 3s are 18, 19, 1, 3 4s are 12, 13, 1, 3 3s are 9, 10. So that is much more than this. So carry 176, 1, 2, 3. So you have 5 digits over here, there you got 6 digits. So I'll go with some 2. If I go with the 2, even 2 will be much more than that. So I'll go with 1. If I go with 1, then the number will be 34641. Even that number will be greater than this. So I'll go with 0. So if I go with 0, then I'll place 0 over here, and that will be 3464. In fact, 0 into any number is 0. So that will be 0. So subtract it 176. So that is what you will be left over with, 1.7320. So that is the value of root 3. Now we go with root 5. Root 5 again the same process. 2 pairs, third pair, fourth pair. Pair it from right to left. Then nearest perfect square to 5 is 4. 2 2s are 4. Then 5 minus 4 is 1. Carry a pair of zeros here. Since you are carrying a pair of zeros after the decimal point, put a decimal point over here and add 2. That is the number which I have written. 2 plus 2 is 4. Now if I take 2 here, then 42 into 2, which is 84. So that is what I write here. So this will give you 16. And carry a pair of zeros. Next again, add upon 2 because that is what you have written. So that number should be added. 42 plus 2 is 44. Now if you go with 4, that will be more than 1600. So I'll try to go with 3. 44, 4, 4, 3 into 3. 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 2, 1, 3 4s are 12 plus 1 is 13. So 1, 3, 2, 9. Let's check out with 4 I will. 4 4s are 16, 1, 4 4s are 16 plus 1 17, 1 4 4s are 16, 17. So it is going beyond 1600. So I'll take 3 here. So I'll take 3 here, I'll put 3, then that will be 1, 3, 2, 9. So carry a pair of zeros here. So this is 10, this is 9, and this will be 5. 5 minus 3 is 2, 9 minus 2 is 7, 10 minus 9 is 1. So add upon the 3 over here. So this is 4, 4, 6. Now let us go with some 4. 4, 4, 4, 6, 4. So what do you get? 4, 4, 4, so 16, 1. Or rather we go with 6. We'll check out with 6. 6, 6 are 36. 6, 3. 6, 6 are 36. 36 plus 3 is 39. 6, 4 are 24. 24 plus 3 is 27. 6, 4 are 24. 25, 26. Now that will be rather closer. 2, 6, 7, 9, 6 is closer to 2, 7, 1, 0, 0. So that is the reason I am going with 6 here. So this is 6 and write 6 here. So this is 2, 6, 7, 9, 6. So carry a pair of zeros as per the routine processes. So this is 10, this is 9, and this will be 0. 70 minus 67 is 3, 9 minus 9 is 0, 10 minus 6 is 4. Now you have 6 here, so take 6. So this will be 4, 4, 66 plus 6 is 72. Now what are the number you place here? Take the same number. Let us go with some 7 here. So then this will be 4, 4, 7, 2, 7 into 7. 7 7s are 49, 9, 4, 7 2s are 14, 14 plus 4 is 18, 7 7s are 49 plus 1, 50, 5, 7 4s are 28, 28 plus 5 is 28 plus 5 is 33, 7 4s are 28, 28 plus 3, 28 plus 3 is 31. So that is going beyond 30400. So I'll go with 6. So then what happens? 4, 4, 7, 2, 6, 6, 6 are 36, 3, 6, 2 are 12, 12 plus 3, 12 plus 3 is 15, 6 7 are 42, 42 plus 1, 43, 4, 6 4 are 24, 24 plus 4 is 28, 6 4 are 24, 24 plus 2 is 26. So that is 2, 6, 8, yeah, wait a minute. 4, 4, 7, 2. In fact, that is more than this. 3, 3. Okay. So we'll go with much more lesser. Then this is, if I go with one time, 4, 4, 7, 2, 1. 4, 4, 7, 2, 1 is again bigger than this. So we go with 0 times. So if I go with 0, 0, then this is 0 times. So 3, 0, 4, double 0. So that's the case. So this is the way you go about. And the last problem which you can do it by yourself. So that is all about the worksheet that I have posted earlier. Thank you.